Welcome students again. Topic name is exponential and logarithmic function, and in this regard this is our lecture number 29. Here we start from this. For each of the following exponential functions, compute f of 0, f of minus 3 and f of 1. The value of the function at 0, minus 3 and 1. Okay, question number 6 is f of x is equal to 3 into x raised to the power 3 raised to the power x square. Here I substitute at the place of x 0. It is equal to 3 into 3 raised to the power 0 square. It means 3 raised to the power 0, and you know that anything raised to the power 0, this is equal to 1. Then f of minus 3, this is equal to 3 raised to the power minus 3 square. This is equal to 3 raised to the power 9. Then f of 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power 1 square is equal to 3. Now I take question number 9. In this question, f of x is equal to e raised to the power minus x over 2. So I am doing here, substitute x is equal to 0, and you know that e raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Then minus 3. In this way, e raised to the power minus into minus 3 divided by 2, it is equal to e raised to the power 3 by 2. And then f of 1 is equal to e raised to the power minus 1 by 2, and I am writing it as 1 over square root 1 over square root e. Similarly, question number 17, f of x is equal to 3 raised to the power 4 minus x square. First I substitute the value of x is equal to 0, then minus 3, and then 1. And you see that their respective values are given as shown in the question. Then you see question number 21, f of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 4 e raised to the power x. First I substitute 0, it becomes 0 raised to the power 2 plus 3 into 0 minus 4 into e raised to the power 0. 0 plus 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Similarly, f of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 square plus 3 into minus 3 minus 4 into e raised to the power minus 3. Here, when I simplify this, I get minus 4 over e raised to the power 3. Now, sketch the following. Here the question from 22 to 31 are in which you have to sketch the graph of the following questions. It starts from 22 and ends at 31. I take here question number 31, that is f of x is equal to 4 into 1 minus e raised to the power x. Here I take the values of x, and here I take the function. Values I take from minus 2, some values are taken from negative side and some values are taken from positive side. Negative 2, and gradually I make an increment of 0.5. Here you see that minus 2, minus 1.5, minus 1, minus 0.5, 0, and so on. First I substitute at the place of x, I substitute minus 2. It is equal to 4 into 1 minus e raised to the power minus 2. One more thing, you kept your calculator on radian mode. You kept your calculator on radian mode. If you keep your calculator on degree mode, then your answer will be wrong. First you change its mode and convert it into radian mode. 4 into 1 minus e raised to the power minus 2. When you simplify this, it is equal to 3.45. Add minus 1.5. Its value is 3.11. Add minus 1. Its value is 2.53. Add 0.5. Its value is 1.57. Add 0. Value is 0. Okay. Because you know that e raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is equal to 0. Then I check its value at 0.5. It is equal to minus 2.59. Then 1. Its value is minus 6.87. Then add 1.5. Its value is minus 13.9. Add 2. Its value is minus 25.5. 2.5. Minus 44.7. And add 3. Its value is minus 76.34. Here I draw its graph. Here I take the negative values on the left side of the x-axis, and on right side I take its positive values. And on y-axis in the above side I take positive values, and in the downward I take its negative values. And here you see that at -2 its value is 3.45. I draw a point here on above -2, in front of -4.5 I draw a point. Then at value of -1.5 I draw another point. In this way you draw their corresponding points according to their position, and when you join this, in this way you get your graph. Now we see convert each of the following exponential function into equivalent base e. Convert each of the following exponential function into equivalent base e exponential function. In this way you have question number 32 to 35, 45. Here I take question number 32. It is f of x is equal to 1.6 whole raised to the power x. What we have to do here, we have to convert this exponential function into the base e. We convert this exponential function as an exponential function whose base is e. So first of all I let u is equal to 1.6 whole raised to the power x. Then I take log on both sides. So in this way you get log u is equal to log 1.6 whole raised to the power x. And you know that this x comes in front of this value, and there are three laws regarding log. So if some function has power, it comes first. So you write it as log u is equal to x into log 1.6. Okay, and then I write 1 in front of this function. There is some significance, that's why I am using here. So I am writing here log u is equal to x into log 1.6, and you see here log e is equal to 1. Log e is equal to 1. So at the place of 1 I write log e. And you also know that there is another property of log, that if some coefficient is in front of log, it becomes the power of its function. So this x, 1 minute. Here this complete log x log 1.6, it total becomes the power of this exponential function. It becomes the power of this exponential function. So you see here log u is equal to log e raised to the power x log 1.6. So this log is cancelled with this log, and you get u is equal to e raised to the power x log 1.6. And what we suppose that u is equal to 1.6 raised to the power x, I write here its value. So here you see here it is an exponential function whose base is e. In this way you convert each function into the base e. Question number 33, f of x is equal to 2 raised to the power x square. F of x is equal to 2 raised to the power x square. Again I let u is equal to 2 raised to the power x square. Then I take log on both sides. Here you see that log u is equal to log 2 raised to the power x square. Again by using the property of log, this x square comes first. This x square comes first by using the property of log. So I am writing here log u is equal to x square log 2, and then I write in front of log 2 I write 1. So you know that log e is equal to 1. So I am writing here at the place of 1 log e, and again this complete thing become the power of this exponential function, and write it as log e raised to the power x square log 2. Now this log is cancelled with this log, and we get u is equal to e raised to the power x square log 2. And you know that what we suppose u is equal to 2 raised to the power x square. Here you see that your function is an exponential function whose base is e. Then we see question number 37. that is f of t is equal to 10 into 0.3 whole raised to the power t. Again I am letting here u is equal to 10 into 0.3 whole raised to the power t, taking log on both sides. Log u is equal to log 10 into 0.3 whole raised to the power t, and I am writing here a property of log that when two functions are multiplied with each other, when you apply log, so the property of log becomes it add them. So you write here it as log m plus log n. Here you see this is our one function, that is 10, and the other function is 0.3 whole raised to the power t. So I write it as log u is equal to log 10 plus log 0.3 whole raised to the power t. Then log u is equal to, and you know that log 10 is equal to 1. Log 10 is equal to 1. So I am writing here 1 plus, and again using the property of log, this t comes in front of this log, it becomes t into log 0.3, and then I write in front of this function 1, and in the next step I write at the place of 1 log e, and you know that log e is equal to 1. So again this total part 1 plus t log 0.3 become the power of this exponential function, In this way this log is cancelled with this log, and u is equal to e raised to the power 1 plus t log 0.3. You also write it as in this form, u is equal to e dot e raised to the power t log 0.3. Now we see question number 41. F of u is equal to 5 into 0.6 whole raised to power u, then 1.6 whole raised to power 2u. I let it as x is equal to 5 into 0.6 whole raised to power u, 1.6 whole raised to power 2u. On the same procedure I take log on both sides. Log x is equal to log 5 into 0.6 whole raised to the power u, then 1.6 whole raised to power 2u, and you know that when two things multiplied with each other and we apply log on them, so it split them with a positive sign, log m plus log n. So I am using this property here, log x is equal to log 5 plus log into 0.6 whole raised to power u plus log into 1.6 whole raised to power 2u, and you see here log x is equal to log 5 plus this u comes in front of this log here, and similarly this 2u also comes in front of this log here. So log 5 is equal to u log 0.6 plus 2u log 1.6. Log x is equal to log 5 plus u log 0.6 plus 2u log 1.6. And then I write 1 in front of this, and in this in the next step I write at the place of 1 I write log e. So in this way this total value log 5 plus u log 0.6 2u log 1.6, this complete factor become the power of this exponential function. This become the power of this exponential function, and we write it as log x is equal to log e raised to the power log 5 plus u log 0.6 plus 2u log 1.6, and this log is cancelled with this log, and you get x is equal to e raised to the power log 5 plus u log 0.6 plus 2u log 1.6. Now I take question number 45. F of x is equal to 0.5 whole raised to the power x by 2, then 3 raised to the power x square. Again I let u is equal to 0.5 whole raised to the power 3 by 2 into 3 raised to the power x square. Again using the same procedure, taking log on both sides, we get log u is equal to log 0.5 whole raised to the power x by 2 into 3 raised to the power x square. Again, using the property of log, I split them because they are multiplying with each other. It becomes log 0.5 x by 2 plus log 3 raised to the power x square. Then it becomes log u is equal to x by 2 log 0.5 plus x square log 3. Again, I'm writing 1 in front of this, and in the next step I write log e at the place of 1. And in the next step, this complete thing become the power of this exponential function, and this log is cancelled with this log, and you get u is equal to e raised to the power x square by 2 log 0.5 plus x square log 3. In this way our lecture comes to end. Inshallah Ta'ala, we will meet in our other lecture, in our next lecture, with logarithms and logarithmic functions. So till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.